Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Madic from Robinhood to KuCoin in 2025. Madic, also known as Polygon, is a popular cryptocurrency for fast and cheap transactions, and moving it between platforms like Robinhood and KuCoin can help you access more trading opportunities. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crypto enthusiast, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and KuCoin. If you haven't already, download the KuCoin app or log in on their website and complete any necessary verifications. This is crucial for security. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account and navigate to your portfolio. Find your Madic holdings and select the option to withdraw or transfer assets. Robinhood might prompt you to choose the network. Remember, Madic is on the Polygon network, so select that to keep fees low. Step 2. On KuCoin, go to your wallet section and generate a deposit address for Madic. Copy this address carefully. It's like a unique key, and one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Double check that you're using the correct network, like Polygon or Ethereum, depending on what's supported. Step 3. Back on Robinhood, paste the KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Madic you want to transfer, review the transaction details, including any fees, and confirm. Fees can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Step 4. Once confirmed, sit tight. Crypto transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, but it depends on network congestion. While you wait, keep your accounts secure and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Finally, once the transfer is complete, check your KuCoin wallet to confirm the Madic has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set to trade or hold. And that's it for today's guide. Transferring crypto might seem intimidating, but with these steps, you've got it under control. If you run into any issues, double-check the network and addresses. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video.